All right, guys, Jake Raby here, Flat 6 Innovations. And what we have here today, and we're going to share with you in this Flat 6 minute, is the full meal deal. So this guy, great customer, he knows that the car is not the way it's supposed to be. It's got issues. That's why it's here at Flat 6 getting a new transplanted heart with one of our track performer engines. But this car originally was hacked and butchered and molested and fitted with a supercharger kit that was just horrendous. So who knows what the inside of the engine looks like. But of course, with a full meal deal, we have the lightweight aluminum single mass flywheel, and also as part of the full meal deal, we have these super high performance ignition retarding engine mounts. Okay, that's part of the full meal deal. So we're creating more harmonics with this super lightweight flywheel, and then we're not canceling those out because we have a set of transmission and engine mounts that are semi-solid, or in this case, actually fully solid. And then to complete the full meal deal, we have this supercharger kit. Now, something like this, I've seen teenagers put things together that were more completely designed than this. I mean, if you're going to install this, you want to make sure that you beat it with a hammer when you do the installation, the professional installation. And then you have to have a Sawzall because you've got to cut through the side of the car to get clearance for said supercharger. And then you have to hack into your air conditioning lines and weld them back together. So just a Flat 6 minute to show you what we call the full meal